We're going to do things a little different today just because I've screwed up the last two things. So let's try this. Good morning. This is how I normally fill my book out. As you can see, I've got stuff in here. Today is Sunday the 21st. Yesterday I was at work. I worked with Taylor and Hunter at the front desk. Let's see. One of the doctors and I opened the office and they put out a challenge of how many toenail trims before the holidays. And there were 7. And then move this. I always forget about that strap. We went to Crave Mediterranean restaurants. It was so good. I got the beef shawarma. My husband got a Euro plate. Fantastic. This is today, so I'm not going to fill this in yet. Then let me move you up just a touch because I don't think I have a December video. It didn't ever process. I don't know what happened, but I will show you anyway. Put this back on the disc. I've got January going also. So here's December next week. I've got winter break. I've got a meeting. I work that day. Then my husband and daughter are working partial day, and we are leaving for Michigan. We will be in Michigan. Christmas at my son's house and my mother-in-law's house. Friday is a free day so far. I have a couple of things going on. Saturday, Christmas at my mom's with my sisters and my nieces and nephews. And then Sunday, we are coming home. And then I did not fill out this January. I started in this January because I don't need double Januaries. I also have a video on this, but it is terrible. I might show you some clips. Let me show you some clips of that. And then I'll use this gray. Am I still in camera? No. So how's that? 2026 like that. Way out of focus here. That's fine. It's fine. It'll be fine. Okay. So we got the dates. You can't see the date. It's horrible. Horrible. I haven't decided how I'm going to use this sidebar just yet. I need to put my account stuff in here, like for my at-home business, like I was doing with the others, but I haven't quite decided exactly how I want to do that yet. But because my last two videos were a bust, I wanted to have something here. And I don't think that like having these up here is beneficial for me. So that's why I think I'm going to use this sidebar here. And I covered that. I covered that and cut out this hole. You might be able to see that on the video, but I doubt it. All you can see is like from here down. I'll show you. It's fine. I'm a pro. It's fine. I don't know where my team. So that is my last 2 weeks, finishing up December, getting into January, and then we come home, and I'll have time to film this week and do a better job. So that's all I've got for now, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you later.